Okay, going on with this project, we're going to move our visualizations into the dashboard tab. Control C, click on the dashboard. There we go. Go back to the analysis tab. Let's click on the dashboard. Let's click on the visualization. Let's click on the dashboard tab, and there we go. Oh, something happened here. Control Z to undo, and then let's click on the shape, and then the visualization. Control C, dashboard, Control V, like vector. Okay. Now let's go to the analysis tab. Once again, control the shape, control and click, Control C, dashboard. Let's click on the visualization. Let's resize it, and then sex intervene. Okay, click on the shape, then click on the visualization, Control C, dashboard, Control V, like vector. Okay. Do we have other visualization? No. Let's click on dashboard, and let's resize this one. Okay, and there we go. Japan, Mexico, Spain, USA. Okay, it seems like these two visualizations are not connected to the dashboard. Let's click on the slicer, click on slicer. Once again, the slicer tab, the slicer in the ribbon. Let's click on the connection, report connection. Let's resize it, and let's connect to location and then year. Click OK. There we go. Now we have an interactive visualization that allows us to see what's going on with these potential destinations of the seed trucks in Peru, right? If we hover the mouse, we are going to be able to see the 16,019 kilograms that were, which destination was Argentina, okay, and the numbers of kilograms that were seized in the last 6 years, okay. Now we have more data, okay, that we are going to hide, okay, and this data is for the year, covers transactions or interventions for the year 2024 and 2025. Okay, let's Control Shift and arrow down, and then Control Shift arrow to the right, Control C, and let's go to the seeds drugs data set, and we're gonna place it below that Excel table, and we are going to be able to see that, I mean, this formula updated on the entire column. We're going to go to the data analysis sheet, and then we're going to click on the pivot table, and we're going to refresh the data, and we're going to be able to see that everything is going to update. Okay, very cool, right? Now we have 120 kilograms of for the whole 8 years. Okay, it's destination and intervention by destination. This is very important. You know, this is why we have to work with Excel tables, because data will be updated automatically once we refresh the data. I'm sorry, through the pivot tables. Thank you very much. Brazil, Japan, and so on. Thank you once again. Bye-bye.